Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ever heard word cohort or cohort analysis? Well, this is what you will do as a data analyst in your new job, or even if you are in current job and you haven't heard it, might be in near future. So, what is cohort? So, cohort is a group of people who share same kind of characteristics that might be age or something like experience or in case of content watching, for example, for Netflix will do make the cohort in such a way that it will make the groups of people who watch same kind of content. In the question we query we will write today is around where we are making a cohort of using sign up date, where certain number of user have signed up at particular website on some particular date or a particular month. So that is what cohort analysis, why it is important, because for any platform or any company there will be thousands of users coming every day, every hours, and it is really difficult to track every individual user. So company preferred to do make them convert them into cohort and then analyze their behavior, like okay, if they have signed in a particular month of the year, then whether they came back after next month, I mean in next month or next week, did they, what kind of activity they did. I mean, they just came and spent the time, or they bought any product, or they watched any content, or they have chatted with their friends, share any kind of story or feed on the platform, something like this. So in query we are going to do, we have two tables. One is user table, another one is user event. So let me show you quickly what these tables contain. So in user table, we have user ID and the sign up date for every particular user. And user event table have event ID, user ID, event date. Event date might be login or any other activity. For example, here we have login and purchase. Okay, so event date can be same as sign up date, but there can be multiple event. For example, I downloaded Facebook and I signed up, and after signing up, I just after completing the sign up, I logged in. So for me, sign up and login is same day, but I can come next again after few hours or few days, few weeks, few months, and again log in and use it for several things. So that can be happen. So please don't confuse in event date and sign up date. Okay, so let's see how we gonna do cohort analysis here. So first I'll count the users based on this event date and sign up date. So let me write this query here, and let me show you how the result should be look like. So we have cohort month, active activity month, and month since sign up. I mean, there's a difference, how much difference in the sign up till and activity month, and active user, that means count of those users. So if if you notice here, we have every day have first day, even in activity month, but in table we didn't. So what I did, and I will show you how, why I did, because I have considered that if a person have signed, any user signed up in January month for a particular year, so whatever the date was, I'll assign it 1st January. So it will be easier to track rather than dividing everything on a date purpose. And I didn't remove it the date, because when we are getting the difference, if I will make I will create a difference in month year to month year. We will get null as an output. To avoid that situation, I did that. So let's proceed and see how it go. So for select, we need cohort month. So cohort month will be sign up. Sign on the basis of sign up, we are making the group. So I need to first format this because we have a separate date. So I'll format this particular thing. So I'll use date format. Which column? So we will use sign up date. Oh, yes, sign up date, and I'll do this here. Y month and date will be first. Okay, and rename is cohort date. Okay, now hmm, oh sorry, now that will not be issue here, should be, yeah. So, okay, so now we have cohort date and user ID from users. So I think this should work. Yeah, that that's worked. So I'll save this in a CTE so later we can use it. So cohort sign up as with. Okay, now we have sign up cohort, and now I'll say do the same thing for events. So I'll just copy this thing. Here we'll use the event date, user, that will be activity month, and this will be user events. So if I'll run this, that should work. Activity month and user. Okay, so I'll save this in CT. So active user, active user, active users as a comma. Now this work. Now we can bring all this together and do this count. So I'll just bring it c dot select c dot cohort month a dot activity month and count of c dot user id as active users, and don't forget to add this thing. active users from cohort sign up, sign up, C inner join active. Okay, active. I need to change this active u, active u a on c dot user id, a dot user id group by 2. This is the issue. Now here I have one issue and I need to find what is this. Unknown column c dot user on clouds. Okay, it's too much error. Too much error. Yeah. Now we have active users and cohort active user for cohort month and the only thing we need to find out what is the, if you want you can, or if you leave it here it will be fine, but if you want that from active cohort month, uh, what was the difference of uh, between the active month, between cohort and active month, that's also you want to add. So we have to first save this particular thing in CTE, and then we can go for that. So I'll comma, and here I'll all activity as this one. Now we'll do select cohort month, cohort month, activity month, okay, and I'll use dative cohort month, activity month, activity month, uh, month, okay, as month. It will be named as month since sign up. Oh, yeah, month since sign up, month since sign up, sign up, month since sign up, and active user, active users uh, from all activity and or by cohort month and activity month. Now if I run this, I think we should get the appropriate answer. Okay, now what the error? Did if incorrect parameter? I think I should not add this. This will automatically take as okay. Okay, so it taking as a date. Sorry, it taking in day. So what I can do, I can use timestamp def, and that will work. So time stamp def, and if now I mention here month, that will work. Yeah. So I'll just run this, and now we have. So for first cohort month, that means sign up date was in month January 2024, and then the users did some activity like login or purchase on the same month. So there was no difference between both of the date. So it's zero, and there were two active user. Then for same sign up date or cohort month, users came in February as well, 1 month difference, and two active users. Then with same sign up or cohort day month, users came in March. There were 2 months of gap, and now that only one user came. Now we have done with the January cohort, then it Feb cohort, and we have Feb, then we have March cohort. So that's how we can track the number of users coming on our platform. So you can see that for January cohort, first 2 months were really good. All users came, but the last month, which is March, only one came. So that's how we company track that when initially that much of users in that cohort, by the current time how many were coming or repeating and doing some events, or I mean using the platform on the particular month. So that's how we do the cohort analysis. And if you have any alternate approach, please share with me or and everyone in the comment, and we would love to see how your approach is. And till the next time, please practice it and share with your friends, like the video and subscribe also. And I'll meet you in next video with the new topic. Thank you.